Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 30. So now that we have chained 30, on the second chain from a hook I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain 1 half double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 half double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. For row 2, I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 1. Now right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain, 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain, 1 half double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 2. So basically for row 2 we are repeating row 1, and by the end of row 2 also we should have 29 half double crochet. Remember also that it does have a little bit stretch, so keep that in mind. So yeah, we just repeat this throughout row 2. We repeat row 2 until our work, well, measures, in my case, is 8.5 inches. And here, cut this yarn. Here we have 1 stitch left, so we'll just chain 1 and pull this yarn through like this. So now I will use yarn in different color. Okay, so I meant to do something here, but I forgot. First I wanted to join these two sides here around the heel area, so I will do that very quickly before we switch the yarn. Alright. If I remembered to do this part, I would have cut this, I would have made this tail longer. If I remember to do this part, I would have made this tail longer. But it is what it is. So here, from the wrong side, I'll fold our work in half just like that. Then, right here through these chains, through these two chains right there, I'll insert my needle. Now I'll use yarn in different color. Now right there through that chain, insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain one, then through that same chain I'll make one single crochet. Through the next chain I'll make one single crochet. Through the next chain, one single crochet. Through the next chain, one single crochet. Through the next chain, one single crochet. So I'll continue making one single crochet all around our work. So right here at this corner, I'll make two single crochet through the same chain. So I'll just continue making one single crochet through each chain all around our work. But on the corners, which we have two corners now, we make two single crochet in each corner. So now we just put our foot in, just insert our foot in here, and my nails look really bad, so I'm gonna try not to show them to you guys. So you see how we have these two sides like this. What we're going to do is we are going to join, see here, right here. So let's start here. So we now right here this loop, we'll close it. I hope you can see this. I think it's coming out pretty good. So now I'm gonna go upwards, you know, just so I can make sure this is all secure. Right. So what we're going to do now, we are going to get to this side here because we need to secure this side. I'll show you how. Alright, right here through this corner, insert our needle. And now make a knot. And now we're going to do the same thing for this other side. Or you can just leave them like that if you want open. It's not necessary. I mean, I like mine to be more secure. So let's secure this again one more time. Now I just make a knot. And I'll cut this yarn. They're very comfortable and warm. If you want yours to be smaller, make sure to chain last per foundation row, and of course make sure they're shorter. I mean, make last rows. Wow, this is really nice. I like them.